We start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. As we can see, still there is no much changes. The only thing is this one drop a bit more. And now we want to see what's the next and how we can look for trade. Okay. Anyway, we start with daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, we have been looking for the up move. And the only thing is we want to see how we can get the trade because we want to see their continuation and at least the price to take the top. I mean, at least break the previous top. Okay. Anyway, we don't have anything to discuss based on forward chart. And if we move to, based on daily chart, and if we move to forward chart, we have been looking for this. We mentioned any reversal. This is what we are more interested to look for buy. But right now, based on forward chart, even we don't have any trade set up, then we're gonna see how we can look for trade based on 1 hour chart. As we mentioned in our analysis, we mentioned the way is correcting here. We want to see the price drop and break the previous low. As we can see, the price tag and reverse. Okay, that's mean right now we're looking for this correction. We are not really looking for the sell because the sell, any sell will be short term, but any buy, this is what we are looking for. That's mean if we want to look for buy, the best things we put our line here. We need to see the breakout of this line and as a reversal with a sharp move flag. Okay, that's mean if we get any trade set up for buy, we will take the trade. Okay, and if we want to have entry, the only way is to have entry above this, and we want the price break and continue. But we should know the way is moving. Still, we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction. Okay, that means still we can get the correction for one more drop continuation, but we are not looking for sell, and even any sell based on lower time frame will be as a short term trade. We are not really interested to look for sell unless we get the bigger correction here. But what I want to mention here, any reversal, we will take the trade as a flag with a sharp move. This is what we are more interested. Okay, just now we mentioned we want to have entry above this. If we want to have entry above this in case the price sharply reverse from here. If we want the price tag break and continue the price tag, this is not moving within the first hour, we take out the trade. Why? Because still we can expect this one turn to a bigger flat. Okay, because the way is moving, if there is a continuation from here, we can expect this one turn to a bigger flat. That means if there is a continuation as a corrective, we are not going to trade. The only times by having entry above this, but the only times if the price sharply reverse. We will need to see the breakout and continuation. If not, we take out the trade. Anyway, it depends on the traders whether they want to have entry above this or not. Okay, but the best thing is we get the reversal. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. How deep it can be, we cannot confirm. But any reversal, we will take the trade. And the short-term trade for sell uh, depends on traders whether they want to take or not. Because in that case, they only need to trade based on lower time frame. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share.